A tragic incident has left a family in mourning after 19-year-old Paul Odikanwa was allegedly shot while trying to retrieve a football from a landlord's compound in Owerri, Imo State. According to his father, Jonathan Odikanwa, who recounted how the incident happened on Monday, he said he was at home between 1:30 p.m. and 2 p.m. when some people came to his house and introduced themselves as teachers and students of Urban Development Secondary School. They explained that Paul and his schoolmates were playing when their ball went over the fence. As Paul attempted to climb over and retrieve it, a gunshot rang out and he fell. Witnesses claim the landlord, an elderly man, fired the shot. However, Paul was rushed to the hospital where doctors discovered internal injuries. Despite undergoing surgery, he later died. Meanwhile, the landlord denies shooting the boy, claiming he only tried to scare him. However, witnesses told the police otherwise. The case has now been taken over by the State Criminal Investigation Department (SCID). An autopsy is expected, while the landlord's family has assisted with medical expenses. Paul's father, who is grieving the loss of his only son, is calling for justice. Authorities, including the Imo State Commissioner for Health, are monitoring the case closely. We'll continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.